We were on E. I'm not even gonna lie. We was on E and it wasn't nothing left in the house.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Hey guys, what's up? What's good? This is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA. So today we have a task, okay? We have to go out and grab some meal preparatory items for the week because y'all, we ain't got nothing in the house. And as you already know, I'm doing this keto thing. First things first, if you are new here, hi, my name is V. Welcome to my channel where we do everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in items and topics like that, then please stay tuned so you don't miss a thing. So last time I did the grocery haul, I actually was kind of winging it and I didn't know much about the keto. So this time around I know just a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna do a bit better. In the beginning, you may not want to count macros because it may be too much. At least for me it was kind of too much, so I kind of just try to switch my mentality, switching from breads to vegetable substituted items and things like that. So that made it a bit easier. So now that I'm more knowledgeable, since I know better, I'm gonna do better. So this time around, you're gonna see more vegetable, more keto friendly items. So I went to two places. I went to Publix and I went to Walmart. I didn't really want to go to Walmart, but I knew I needed some packaging so that I could actually package my weekly items. I purchased some packaging last time I did a haul, but I didn't get enough. This is from my Target haul. I got these this size. Yeah, so I didn't get enough and I kind of want larger size for my lunches and dinners, and I wanted them to be more compartmentalized so I don't have to have everything in one pot. So we're gonna try things a bit different this week and I'm bringing you guys along, so let's get it. Hello beautiful people, so we are outside of Publix. I'm about to grab some things for the week for keto, so if you are interested, please stay tuned while I go through the store, pick up some items, and start meal prepping. So we are inside Publix, and this is why I absolutely love Publix. They're always having these buy one get one free deals. As you can see here, they had all the oils buy one get one free. Well, not all of them, but a huge majority of the brands were. So I went ahead and grabbed one of my favorite brands, and I'm so excited. It's buy one get one free, Bertolli. Yay! I like this. It looks good. Yum. Okay, so we are leaving Publix. We purchased everything. Let me see if I can show you what we got. If you can see how long my receipt is, it's kind of ridiculous, but I think I got everything I need for the week. So we're heading to Walmart because I think I'm gonna get some containers so I can put everything in so I can meal prep. Yeah, so I think we're good. So I'm gonna load up the car and I will see you guys in a little bit. Hello you guys, so I just came home from grocery shopping and I kind of want to show you guys exactly what I got. One sec, just need to open up some blinds so you can see me and then we could get to it. So I went to two places. I went to Publix and then I went to Walmart. Walmart I didn't really get anything, but Publix was like my main hub. So here's everything behind me and we're gonna start. I'm gonna just go from left to right and go through everything that I received. I did buy kind of a lot of stuff because we were on E. I'm not even gonna lie. We was on E and it wasn't nothing left in the house. That's Mag bringing some more of my stuff in. Okay, so let's get it. Starting with the meats, I got these from Publix. They were buy one get one free chicken breasts. I got some top round for stir fry or fajitas. I think I'm gonna use that interchangeably with the chicken for dinner. This would be a good lunch type meat. It's like grass-fed burgers. Got some Black Label maple bacon, some pepperoni. So in my last video I had some of these steam freshes and I think I had like the vegetable pastas and stuff like that, and those were too high in carbs. No, yeah, too high in carbs. So now I'm just gonna stick to the veggies. The steam fresh I got is the whole green beans. I got some pepper and onion blend. This is like my favorite to get from like the frozen section at Walmart. So this little piece, this little jar right here, I got from Walmart. And this as well from Walmart. And then these are from Publix. Okay, so these were buy one get one free at Publix. Sharp cheddar and mozzarella. I got some cheese sticks, but I plan on cubing them. Because I don't know, I kind of can't just eat the stick of cheese just whole like that. I don't know. Comment down in the section below if you're the same way. I don't know. I can, but I don't want to. Because it's like, if I want to string it all the way down, I got to kind of like open up the entire packaging. And it's like, what the hell? And it ends up kind of getting like messy. Anywho, moving along. So I found these almonds that are individually packaged at Publix. They're like 4 for $5. So I grabbed like 5 of them because that's how many days left I have until I plan on actually going back to the grocery store. Because honestly, this whole haul here is just a gauge of what I will need per week. This isn't just a week's worth of food. I know it's more, but we got to start somewhere. So these two are buy one get one free at Publix. I think you're seeing a trend here why I love Publix so much. I got this barbecue sauce. It's sugar free. And I'll let you see the nutritional value in the back. So yeah, check out these nutritional values real quick. If you can see that, it has 2 grams of carbs and pretty much no fat. And it does have quite a bit of sodium, but I'm thinking that I'll be fine using this in moderation. It's called G. Hughes Smokehouse Sugar-Free Barbecue Sauce, and it's honey flavored. Okay, Keto Army, if this is something I shouldn't be using, and if you have a better substitute in mind, then please leave a comment in the comment section below so I can know exactly what to look for. So moving right along, we have the berries. I got blackberry and strawberry. I got spinach, 2 avocados. I got ingredients to make 90-second bread, whatever the keto bread is. I kind of want to try it. So I got the baking powder. I got the salt. Of course, this garlic is not part of the recipe. Unless I want to make garlic bread. Ooh. Okay. So it's like oil and almond flour or coconut flour. I chose the almond flour. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to use this almond flour for literally everything. Probably going to try some pancakes. Try my hand at pancakes and see how that turns out. Who knows? Okay. So I got these beautiful grape tomatoes. I got a cucumber, a hell of a long one, because I'm going to chop that up and hopefully that lasts the full week. I want to try this for on Saturday because I want to treat myself. It's classic, not classic, it's pepperoni pizza with cauliflower crust, so we'll see. And I got these from Walmart. They're like the containers that you use for like meal prepping. I saw that I could get them on Amazon, but didn't feel like waiting for Prime to send them over because I kind of want to get started as soon as possible. So I'm gonna use this alongside with the ones that I purchased last time, which is in the last video I did, which I'll leave in the description below. I'll use both of those to create my meal plan or meal prep. Oh, look at Raina. Hey girl. To create my meal plan for the entire week. So this is everything I purchased, excluding, there's one more thing actually. I cannot forget the eggs. We did purchase, he got his own little egg thing and I got mine because honestly I think I'm going to be eating a lot of egg. If it's scrambled, I will be subbing a majority of the egg for egg white. I do have like a package of egg white that I purchased before, so I'll be using that, but a lot of this will be boiled for midday snack. So thank you for taking the ride with me. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and like little shop with me / meal preparative videos like this, please leave your comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know to make more like it, and don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss a thing. Okay, you guys, wish me luck because this is my first go around at this whole keto meal prepping thing. We got eggs, we got all kinds of stuff, so Lord, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna pray on this one, okay? Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.